Assalamu alaikum students, this is our third lecture and in this lecture we will complete inshallah exercise of unit 1 part 3 climate. The key learning points are difference between the weather and climate, factors affecting climate, major climatic zones of Pakistan, instruments used to measure the weather. Background information of the chapter is: weather is the condition of atmosphere that can be measured as hot or cold, humid or dry, clean, cold, or rainy or stormy. Climate is a weather condition in an area recorded over a certain period of time. The climate can be several types. Example: temperate climate, which is not too hot nor too cold; tropical climate, which is hot, humid and receive plenty of rainfall; arid climate, which is dry and dusty and receives very little rain; and polar climate, which is very cold. Answer to question on page number 24. On page number 24 there is first question: what is the importance of climate for our region? Answer is: the climate of a region is average weather condition of that region over a long period of time. Look at the climate map of Pakistan on page 19. Which part of country is warmer? The students will write their own answer after watching this. Question number 3. Explain how height of a place affects its climate. The higher location of a place above the surface of the earth is colder its climate is. Number 4. Why do you think is rainfall such an important factor for climate? Rainfall is an important factor for climate as it provides water which is essential for survival of human, plants and animal. 5. Question number 5. What effects does closeness to the sea have on climate of place? Places that are situated closer to sea have mild climate due to sea breezes that blow from sea to land. Number 6. Give example of usefulness of weather forecast. Weather forecasts are important for farmers as it informs them about forthcoming rains. Government's agencies can make evacuation plans in case of a cyclone or a flooding. Forecast. People can generally benefit from weather forecast and prepare for hot. Look at the record of rainfall these two places in winter and summer. Talk about the result and suggest some reasons of them based on what they have learned. Student will observe the average temperature of Quetta lower than in Islamabad in summer as well as in winter. Page number 25. Put tick against true statement, cross against false statement. You can also write true, false in TF. High areas are usually hot. It is false. Cool breezes below from sea toward land. It is true. Desert are very dry places. It is true. Forests do not receive much rainfall. It is true. Places close to sea are always very hot. It is false. Pakistan has a very wet climate. It is false. Student will answer question B and C and D independently.